Oh, welcome back to ADV HQ, guys. We're on the road, we're on the V-Strom, little day trip. I say little, for most people it would be. For me, it's actually pretty big. I'm heading towards that Puna where I went earlier in the year for my little solo camp. Heading in that direction, going somewhere a bit different, but in that direction. And I'm going to try and go through some of the pine foresty trails on the way just past Maryborough. So stick around, see how we go. We've got a bit of highway riding to go. Hopefully we don't get any showers. There are a few little showers around, especially in the direction I'm heading, which is that way. So we'll just see how it all pans out. How cool's that? Hogging the road. Cruising along nice at about 55-ish. Ooh, pothole, didn't see it. In here I have a buttered chicken pie which I cooked this morning, put it in a few layers of foil, and I reckon it's just going to be perfect. Just like a bakery meat pie. It's one of the premium Aldi meat pies, this one. Look at it flaking off. Just right, not too hot, you know. I believe that shower there coming across from the island over that way, shooting across. We'll probably get caught up in the middle of it. I've just decided I'm going to start heading home, probably ride in it the whole way, to be honest, when we do, where I could head down and then let it pass and head home, but I've kind of done what I wanted to do mostly. I've had my pie now too, so there's nothing else to really look forward to. Yeah, that's pushing over. And probably right. We might still get a shower or two on the way home. We'll see how we go. Try and enjoy it as much as we can. Cadell 11 wannabes again. Few bikes. Oh, there's a V-Strom. Couple of V-Strom. we'll sign out now, guys, as we get up to speed a bit more. Hope you enjoyed the ride on the V-Strom, and we'll see you on whatever we decide to do next. No idea yet. All right, cheers, Subaru.